Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings and click on Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager. Now you can manage all those devices features by tapping on the best one for you. I wanted to go with location and it's here, so I have to click on it. Now tap on one of your apps, in my case Maps, and tap on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. If you wish to, you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage my camera. Over here, choose See All Camera Permissions instead and manage all of them however you wish to, only for this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!